Okay, to take screenshots on Google Chrome, the first step you need to take is to launch your Chrome web browser. So let me open mine. Visit the website you want to take the screenshots on. Okay. Okay, this is the web page I want to take the screenshot on. All right. So once you're on the web page, the next step you need to take is to press the print screen key of your computer keyboard. Here I'm using Windows 11 PC. All right. So it can come as INSPRTSC or another text may be placed on the button. All right. But locate the print screen key of the laptop you're using and press on it. Once you press on the print screen key, you will see a kind of shadow around the page. All right. And if you take a look at this place, you can see that this camera icon is already selected. If this video icon is selected, please, we don't want to make video. It's screenshot. So click on this camera icon. All right. Then position your cursor to the spot you want to start taking the screenshot. In this case, I want to start taking the screenshot from the right, sorry, from the left, where you have the plus shape, all right? Then once your cursor is there, press and hold on the left button of your mouse. I said press and hold on the left button of your mouse, all right? Then and drag to cover the area that you want to capture as screenshot. All right. So once you're okay with the part you want to cover, just as I have done here, release the pressure on the left button of your mouse and the screenshot is captured. All right. Okay. Here it shows up this telling me to do additional editing, but I don't want to do additional editing on this. All right. So I will click out. Okay. Or if it doesn't want to go, just leave it there. Okay. So now let's go and take a look at what we just did now. So click on your File Explorer. Once the File Explorer opens, click on Pictures folder, which comes pre-installed on every Windows PC. Alright, you can see a special folder here called Screenshots. So double click on it for it to open. Alright, this shows the screenshots that I took in the recent time, but look at what we did now. So I'll double click on it for it to open fully. And here is the screenshot. Okay, you can see this cursor highlighter. I enabled it because I'm teaching. All right, but in your own case, when you're taking screenshots, it will not be there. Okay, so it's because I want to use it to be showing you areas I'm spotting in my video. Okay, if the print screen key method does not work, let's look for another way you can take this screenshot. Okay, so let's say this web page is the screenshot I want to take. I want to take the screenshot of this web page. Another method we can do this is using an approach I called the snipping tool. All right, it comes pre-installed on Windows 11. I think it's also available on Windows 10 PCs. Any laptop you are using that runs Windows. Okay, so what you need to do is to click on this start button, okay, of your PC. In this search area, type snipping tool. Okay, it will pop up snipping tool. You can see that as you're typing, it is selecting the best match. So look at it here. So click on this snipping tool. Okay, on clicking on this snipping tool, you will see here this video icon is selected. Click on this camera icon because we want to take screenshot. Okay, so I've clicked on it now. Then click on new. A kind of shadow will appear as well, just like the way we did before. Okay, so take your cursor to the part you want to start taking the screenshot on the web page. Okay, then press and hold on the left button of your mouse, then start dragging until the part you want to capture is highlighted and release the pressure. Okay, so here I'm done. I've captured the part I want to capture and this snipping to pop up after that. But I don't need to work further on it. But if you want to work further on it, you can work further on it by selecting any of these tools, okay? But that's not what I want to do, so I'll close this. So if I get to the screenshot folder of my File Explorer, I'll still find the same thing, okay? So these are just the steps to take screenshots of web pages on Google Chrome. If you find this content helpful, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on technology and insurance. So subscribe to learn more. Hit the like button so that YouTube will recommend this video to more people. Thank you and see you some other time. Stay blessed.